For over 5 decades, Micromatic Grinding Technologies has been at the forefront of precision grinding solutions. With a legacy of innovation, performance, and reliability, we have been serving customers globally, from automotive to aerospace and to general engineering industries. For the last 25 years, EMO has been a crucial part of this journey. It's where the ideas are exchanged, partnerships are built, and the future of manufacturing is shaped. Over the last 25 years, Micromatic Grinding has been participating in EMO. There is a lot of acceptability as well as visibility of the brand in Europe as well as across the globe. With the market's global scenario changing and the customers looking for more cost competitive as well as efficient solutions, the Indian industry is at the right stage where we can showcase our products. So MGT over the years has been exporting to Europe as well as other markets. We have almost close to 250 installations worldwide today. With the latest edition of our German office at Nesselwang, Germany, it will further add and strengthen the position for MGT as well as the AceMicromatic Group to serve its customers in Europe through this office. As India's #1 grinding machine manufacturing company with over more than 50 years experience in grinding, we are proud to bring Indian engineering to the global stage. I invite all of you to EMO 2025 in Hannover.